Hey everyone, welcome back, and today we're diving into something super exciting. Creating your own digital notebook in Canva. Now I know you've seen those beautiful digital notebooks on websites such as Etsy. They're everywhere. And here's the thing. People are making thousands of dollars on selling them. Don't just take my word for it. Just check the reviews and you can see those people who bought digital notebooks and gave good reviews. Sometimes, thousands of people buying and loving digital notebooks every single day. That means the market is hot and the opportunity is open for you too. And the best part, you don't need a complicated softwares or years of design experience. With Canva, you can create your own personal looking. Digital notebooks is just a few steps. And today, I'll show you how to do it. So whether you want to design one for yourself, for your business, or even you sell them online, this is the tutorial for you. Let's get started. Open Canva and create a new document. Choose a size that works for your digital notebooks. US letter, 8.5 by 11, or you can use A4 that are great choices. Then start with a cover page. This is your notebook's first impression, so make it visually appealing. Add your title in bold and clear text. You can use stylish fonts for modern look. Then play with canvas elements. Maybe add patterns, illustrations, or textures. You can also find photos for your background. So think minimal, aesthetic, or colorful, depending on your target audience. Next is the ruled page. Now let's add a ruled page for the traditional note-taking. Insert lines from the Elements tab, or simply draw rectangles and make them very thin to create a lined paper. So in this case, I will go to Elements and search for tables. Next, I will click the plus sign button and add lines and adjust its size. Space them evenly down the page. Once you have one perfect page of ruled lines, just duplicate it for as many pages as you want. So next, the corner note page. Let's create for this layout. This is a popular method for students and professionals. Start with a blank page, then add lines on the left side for the main notes. On the right side, you can leave a larger blank space where users can summarize or brainstorm ideas. Then at the bottom of the page, add a wider box for reflections or sketches. If you'd like, add dotted lines instead of solid lines for a softer and modern look. Next is the dotted notebook page. This is for people who like freedom and note-taking and sketching. A dotted page is very perfect. Use a canvas grid or dot patterns spread evenly across the page. This allows users to draw, doodle, or bullet journal. You can even duplicate it if you want a small dotted, medium dotted, or large dotted. And if you want this digital notebook, I will add the link below. Now let's proceed with the other pages. Next is the grid page. For the grid page, search for grid under Canva elements and apply it as a background, or you can even overlay it. This works perfectly for people who love graph style layouts, planners, or design sketches. You can also duplicate it and make it a small grid, medium grid, or large grid, like we did earlier for the dotted page. Next is for the monthly and weekly page. So now let's add columns and rows to make a simple table layout. For the weekly note page, let's add 7 rectangles from Monday to Sunday. Then you can easily duplicate it. Next is for the monthly pages. You can also resize these boxes to allow space for writing, tracking goals. You can just duplicate this and adjust it. Next is for the checklist page. Let's add another page again. This is a super handy for to-dos, shopping list, or project tasks. Use Canvas checkbox element, add circles on the left side, and write lines next to them. Duplicate each row to fill up the page. So you can easily do it and save time. Finally, let's add blank note pages. This gives users the freedom to design, doodle, brainstorm, or decorate however they want. Because some people love freedom in their notebooks. So this is a nice finishing touch. And you can also change its color into light pink, yellow, green, blue, purple, or even blue. And there you go. You've just built a complete digital notebook with multiple functional pages in Canva. Now you've seen how fun and easy to create a digital notebook in Canva. And just imagine the possibilities. Again, you can make this for yourself, for business, or you can sell it online. And remember, there are sellers on Etsy making thousands of dollars like this. And one more thing, If you don't want to start from scratch, we've got you covered. At plr.com, we have a wide variety of ready-made digital notebooks, planners, and journals that you can grab instantly. You can use them or even you can customize it. And I'll be adding the link on the description below so you can check it out after this video. So go ahead, open Canva, and start designing your own digital notebook. You'll be surprised on how creative you can get. And who knows, this might be your next income stream. Bye!